So, what do you do when you have friends who work in the service industry, or better yet, who work in restaurants? You buy the chefs and the whole crew shitty beer, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. And what's the best place to buy shitty beer? Safeway, people. Safeway is the best place to buy shitty beer. In case anyone was wondering where I'm eating tonight, I'm gonna be eating at Statebird Provisions. If you've never heard of that restaurant, you should probably Google it right now, cause it's bomb. So my friend works there, and every time I come in here, I bring the crew the best beer, which is Miller High Life. So yeah.
Hi, friends of Caitlin. These are tempura fried morels with a Parmesan velouté.
This isn't one serving, is it?
This is one serving. So this is Domaine Birthday Bonde. It's like the top producer in the Jura. 1995 tradition blend of Chardonnay and Sauvignon.
Well, the only funny thing is I got there 2 years, worked, busted out. I think it's not bad. Smoked Chinese sausage and long pepper yogurt. Why you look at my face?
Oh my god, damn shit. And then we have the Deckham Cook Madame, and this is your beef tongue everything pancake.
What?
Yeah, I'll take the empty glass.
Do 5-piece bird.
5-piece bird.
Come pound for sure.
Okay. New fried rice.
Yes, thank you.
Shrimp. Trout.
Does anybody need fish?
I would love fish.
I want
Fish.
okay.
You want to do a half?
Half trout.
Okay.
Anybody else want seafood porridge?
Yes.
Yes.
Seafood porridge. Ready for this trout.
Get in there.
Aged fish sauce, mandarins, brown butter, and hazelnuts. It looks just like really.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, I don't know what that is.
No, I haven't stayed in their place for like 2 years.
That's rad. So we're gonna do it all. I'll space it out for you.
What a nice guy.
Yeah.
He's such a nice guy, that guy.
Yeah.
Like Szechuan squid.
Yeah, Szechuan squid.
Yeah.
Squid kebab. So I know Jose doesn't want to talk about it. I know.
It sucks. Thank you. It's awesome.
But we love Chenin Blanc here, and this guy lives on top of his winery. It's just him. He's kind of a loner hippie. This stuff is so allocated, it's stupid. And we only got a case of this each for each restaurant, 6 bottles of the other one, 3 bottles of the other one, and there's no more until next year.
What an honor.
And he accidentally delivered 4 extra cases to us, and I had a moment of like, I'm a very good person, and so I emailed him. I emailed him and I was like, oh, this is so strange. Like, I seem to have gotten 4 pieces of the Anjou Blanc, and then I hit send, and I was like,
Wait, why is it called Statebird with Provisions?
All of the hard knocks, Caitlin.
California State Bird is quail, bro. California State Bird is quail, bro. California State Bird is quail, bro.
Okay, thanks, Max. What is that stuff?
These are
Like a meetup tasting group?
Yeah, these are onions that are braised with fire lemon, rosemary, and butter.
oh my
Someone's behind you.
God. You're a Bubbles monster. Dance for me.
Yeah. I only brought 4 glasses. Did you want bubs too? All right, I'll get one more. I'll be right back. Be right back.
So just the right amount of like a kind of weird earthiness, and then still pretty full body.
This is our last dish.
I was like, no garlic bread.
So colorful.
None of those like too much.
Kung Pao sweetbreads with bacon and beef tongue and cabbage and radish and sprouts.
That's a good drop on.
Thanks for that lip. Really cool because he buys his sherry like he buys coffee. He goes to bodegas and he like smells down. He like chooses. So the 626, he chose 6 barrels of sherry from 26 different bodegas, and he blended them.
How do you feel, Max? Like literally, how many plates do you think that was?
We should
know,
go
but-
for a long chomp.
Tap out.
How many plates?
1738.
Oh, 1738, right. She got there. It looks like coffee. It looks like a French press.
Sorry. It's okay.
Okay, I gotta go now. Thanks for everything. Just got done with dinner. Headed home now. And I gotta tell you, Statebird is ridiculous. They have like the most ridiculous food ever. It's so good. First time I went to Statebird, I was kind of on a date. So I couldn't really like drink all the wine because they have a lot of good stuff to choose from. So, you know, because when you're on a date, you kind of have to perform. You kind of have to like be at your best. And if you're drinking a lot, yeah, you know, I know some guys were like, oh yeah, you gotta like make sure you didn't drink too much for a number of reasons. But this time I did drink, I drank enough, at least you could say, and I had a good time. I can't thank Statebird enough for letting me go ahead and record stuff there. I want to thank my friend Caitlin, who's the best. She's super awesome. She got us in there. It's actually really hard to get in there, to get reservations, to get a table, and so she was nice enough to hook us up. I want to thank the homie Max for inviting me specifically. I want to thank you guys for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video. All right, talk to you soon. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you like the video. Make sure to comment if you like, and I'll see you guys soon. All right, peace.